The UK is rewriting the rules again, not just tweaking them, but replacing one of the key pathways used to bring in foreign workers. So, what does this mean for skilled trades, technicians, and frontline roles that have long relied on sponsorship? As part of a broader strategy to reduce net migration, while still tackling short-term labour shortages, the UK government is proposing a brand new immigration framework. At the centre of this reform, a proposed temporary shortage list, or TSL, set to replace the existing shortage occupation list for sub-degree roles. But this isn't just a name change. It's a complete overhaul of how lower-skilled occupations, classified at RQF levels 3 to 5, will be managed under the points-based system. Until now, many lower-skilled roles in sectors like logistics, construction, and care could be sponsored with relative ease if they were on the shortage occupation list. But the government now says this system has led to over-dependence on overseas labour, without enough emphasis on domestic workforce development. The solution? Introduce a tightly controlled, conditional, and time-limited sponsorship route. Let's see how these proposed changes may impact you. Here's how the temporary shortage list will differ. Restricted eligibility. Only occupations that appear on the TSL will qualify for sponsorship at RQF levels 3 to 5. Not permanent. Inclusion on the list will be temporary and conditional, rather than automatic or indefinite. To even be considered for inclusion, a sector must meet strict requirements, including a government-approved workforce plan showing how the sector will reduce reliance on migrant labour over time, proven investment in UK-based training and collaboration with public bodies like Skills England, and devolved governments. Commitment to fair working conditions, especially for roles historically linked to exploitation. A defined exit strategy, a timeline for phasing out international recruitment. This won't be industry-led alone. The plans must be coordinated across government, including input from the Home Office, Department for Work and Pensions, and Department for Education. The Migration Advisory Committee, MAC, will have a key role, advising the Home Secretary on whether an occupation qualifies, how long it should remain eligible, what quotas or caps might apply, and what visa conditions should be attached. TSL-linked visas will come with stricter conditions, particularly around family members. These may include a ban on dependents for certain low-wage or high-turnover roles, higher salary thresholds to sponsor family, tougher English language requirements for both workers and their dependents. The aim is to ensure integration and reduce the long-term settlement impact of short-term roles. A preliminary TSL will be introduced during the transition. It will include occupations previously flagged by MAC as critical or in shortage. But this initial list will be reviewed regularly, and roles may be removed if sectors fail to demonstrate progress on domestic recruitment and training. If you're a sponsoring employer, this is a major compliance shift. Gone are the days when you could rely on the current system for straightforward recruitment of lower-skilled staff. Going forward, you'll need to collaborate with government-backed training bodies, prove you're upskilling domestic workers, show that overseas hiring is a last resort, not a default strategy. Failing to do so, you risk losing your sponsorship license altogether. The temporary shortage list isn't just a tool to manage immigration. It's a signal. The UK government is drawing a hard line. Short-term migration can only happen under strict, accountable conditions, with a clear plan to develop the UK workforce in parallel. If you're affected, whether as an employer or migrant worker, now is the time to plan ahead. Legal advice, strategic workforce planning, and compliance readiness are no longer optional, they're essential. At Compass Immigration Law Limited, we offer 4 core services to make your UK work visa application easier. General advice. We provide expert guidance on requirements and evidence. Form filling, to assist with completing the application form. Application checking. We'll review the application you have prepared prior to submitting. Full application package, where we provide all of the above and more. Our experienced immigration team is based in Bolton, but we help clients across the UK and internationally. If you require professional assistance, don't take chances. Let us guide you through every step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the notification bell for updates on the latest UK immigration advice. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of UK immigration law. Use the details on screen to contact us today to get more information. We're here to help. If you've got a few minutes, check out the suggested video on screen now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.